In this video, I'm going to walk you through and show you how you can download and install Fabric for Minecraft version 1.21.7. If this video does help you out, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials. Now, Fabric is a lightweight mod folder that allows you to run Fabric-based mods in Minecraft. So let's go ahead and get started. First, if you do have Minecraft open, go ahead and close it before we do continue. And yes, this does include the launcher as well. And now open up a preferred web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Chrome, but any browser works. Search for fabricmc.net to go to the official Fabric website and hit download on the Fabric loader. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You're going to want to hit download for Windows if you're on Windows, or if you're on any other system, hit download universal jar. Once you hit download, it's going to pop up with a page that looks something like this. Once it does that, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next step is opening up a new tab and searching up Fabric API, finding this CurseForge link and clicking on it. This mod is required for most other mods to work, so keep that in mind. You're definitely going to want to make sure you download this, but essentially find files on this page, go ahead and find the game versions and select 1.21.7, and then find any one of these two, click on it, and then hit download file. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Don't necessarily worry about that. It's going to automatically start downloading for you right up here. And once it downloads for you, you're good to go and move on to the next step. Now, as this does finish downloading for me, I'm actually going to go ahead and find the mod that I want to play by going to Browse, going to Minecraft, and then hitting Browse All. From here, I'm going to change the game version of 1.21.7. And in this instance, I'm actually going to go ahead and download, I guess, this Journey Map mod right here for the sake of this tutorial by clicking on the mod, clicking Files, going to the game version, selecting 1.21.7, finding Fabric as well, and then hitting this download file button. Now, keep in mind, when you're finding a mod to test this with, because technically you don't have to use the same mod as me, make sure you're finding the one that's compatible with Fabric. If you're not choosing that one, it's not going to work. But once you go ahead and get this stuff done, what you're going to want to do is actually install Fabric now. So open up your downloads, find that Fabric installer, and go ahead and click on it. And it's going to open up a page that looks something like this. Confirm that you're on Minecraft version 1.21.7 and then hit install. It'll pop up and load. Once it loads, just hit OK, and then you can close out of this. And what you're going to want to do is actually open up that Minecraft loader. On this page, go ahead and click on this little drop down arrow and find Fabric Loader 1.21.7, click on it, and then find installations as well. Find that same loader that we just opened up, click on that installations folder, and then find the mods folder in here. If you don't have a mods folder, just simply go ahead and right click, find the little plus arrow, and hit new folder, and name it mods exactly as you're seeing here. Open it up, and then open up another file explorer page just like so, go to downloads, and what you're going to want to do is drag in Fabric API and also whatever mod you might have just downloaded. So I'm going to drag in Journey Map Fabric just like so, and now I can close out of both of these pages just like that. Go back to the play tab on here, once again ensure that you're on Fabric Loader 1.21.7 and hit play. It's going to load you for a sec, so just keep that in mind. But once you do get loaded into Minecraft, it should say Fabric modded down at the bottom. Once you're in game, you're able to search for whatever mod you just installed. In my case, it should have been an updated map, I think. Yeah, I have a map up in the top right, which is pretty cool. I actually kind of like how this map looks too. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us down in the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. Have a great day.